battery.
Low battery, episode number 1. Here we have this cool box from China, and no, really not from China, from India. And inside the box we have this cool stuff. What are the stuff for? Yeah, it's really easy. These are battery holder. We just need to slide it in. Okay? Okay? You see? And we slide in. That's it. Now we add a orange one and then we have a black one. Then we have an orange one and so on. Okay? Now from the top I have to do the same, but of course I have to start with black. So starting with black, and then I add orange, then I add black, and I slide in the black, and I slide in the orange. No. And I slide in the orange, and then another orange. Okay. Now we have these two battery, and of course we have to put the now we have the plus. We put the plus inside, and we have a minus, and we put the minus inside. And if you have 3 more batteries, like I don't have here, we can stick everything together and simply adding these small metal plates. Okay, you see, we can join together series and of battery. So this is the basics, and then we have the nuts. It's very important to remember that for the nuts you need a special tool that is 5.5 millimeter. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the like button.